Have you ever stopped to listen to the thrum of the cicadas or the whoosh of a sudden summer downpour? Have you ever laid in bed and listened to the gentle hum of your fan or the beating of your own heart? If so, you've been listening to sound. Sound is energy that we can hear. It's a type of kinetic energy that moves through the air and other matter in the form of sound waves. While sound waves are different than the waves you might see in the ocean, they move much the same way, through matter. Sound waves are made by vibration, or the fast back and forth movement of something. That means that all sound is vibration. If you can hear it, it's vibrating. Your heart? Vibrating. Click of the mouse? Vibration. Sound is made when a force acts on an object and makes it vibrate. The vibration pushes against matter, like the air, and moves away from the force through the matter in the form of a compression wave. This means that if there is no air or water or other matter for the wave to travel through, there will be no sound. One place that happens is in space. With no air, when things crash together, no sound is made. You're well aware that all sound is not the same. How boring would that be? Instead, sound comes in many kinds. Some sounds are soft, while others are very loud. This is a sound's loudness. The more force used to make the vibration, the louder the sound. Sound can also be high or low. This is called a sound's pitch. High pitches are made when an object vibrates very quickly, like a rubber band pulled tight. When an object vibrates more slowly, though, like a big rubber band not pulled very tightly, it makes a low pitch. Instruments, like a piano, have many strings inside of different lengths and tightness, so when they're struck or strummed, they make different pitches. Have you ever stuck your head in a swimming pool and listened to the sounds made by other swimmers? Everything sounded strange underwater, right? That's because those sound waves move faster through water than air. Sound waves move through matter, and this changes how we hear them. When the air is clear and calm, sounds travel farther than when it's windy. Sound waves move like any other wave, away from its source of energy. You can hear this when you stand in a big empty room and shout really loudly. The sounds you make will move from your mouth, hit the walls, bounce around the room, and then back to you. This is called an echo. Sound waves can also begin in one kind of matter and move through another, like when you're underwater and your mom is yelling at you to get out of the pool. The sound of her voice moves through the air first, then hits the water, which makes it sound funny. This is called distortion, and it's all because of how sound moves. Sound is energy that we can hear. It's a type of kinetic energy that's made from the vibration of matter. Sound moves from the source of its vibration through other matter, like air or water. Depending on how the sound moves or the type of vibrations that made it, sound can be loud or soft, high or low, or distorted.